Hey everyone, I'm Nimrod, and this is what I would have sounded like a week ago. And now you hear me with the Rode VideoMicro. So today I'll be showing you a review of it. Okay, let's get started. So the sound quality, it's directional, which means it hears only what is in front of the mic and not what is behind. Now you hear me from the backboard. So I've done some testing between the Rode VideoMicro and the internal mic. So let's hear them. I think. Currently talking from 6 meters away with no microphone. I'm currently talking from 6 meters away with the microphone and it's covered, dead cat. Internal mic, Rode VideoMicro. This is a vlogging style. I'm talking behind the camera. And this is a vlogging style. I'm talking behind the camera with the Rode VideoMicro. Vlogging with internal mic. Vlogging with Rode VideoMicro. Internal mic. External mic. Nimrod here, and here are 5 cool camera transitions. A red cable, the mic itself, a shock mount which connects to the camera, and a dead cat, which is not really a dead cat. Build quality. So the mic is built really good. I think it's from metal. It's a plug and go, I think, how you said. It's a plug and go mic. So it means you just plug the mic in and just start recording. There's no extra step from putting a battery in or forgetting to turn on the mic. Thanks for watching. It was a quick review of the mic. If you enjoyed, leave a like. I'm waiting, and subscribe. Yeah, I'm here waiting. If you want to check out my last video, it's about 5 cool transitions. And thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Ciao, peace out, bye.